Hi everyone, it's Amarel. Welcome to my page. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe below. So today I'm actually going to be unboxing the Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor seat. I have a 5-month-old daughter and she needs somewhere to sit. I used to have her in the, for mom seat, but it kind of slants a little bit, the rockaroo, and she's just sitting up, and I just can't do it. So we'll see how this goes. I got this from Walmart. It was $38. If I can find an Amazon link for you, I will list it below or something similar. So let's check it out. I'm just gonna use a knife. I don't have any tools. And I'm kind of concerned about this because how small the box is, because she seems like she's bigger than the box, honestly. I don't know how much she weighs, but she seems a little bigger than the box to me. All right. So when you open the box, this is how it looks. I actually think this is going to be probably an easy setup. I'll do it this way so you can see it. I'm actually going to put it a little lower so you can actually see my table. Okay. So I'm going to use the instructions. I'm not sure where the instructions is. Let me back you up a little bit. Where's my knife? I don't know about you, but for some reason when I wake up, like randomly at night to feed my daughter, I will be so hungry. Like I just want to eat so bad. And sometimes I do eat, but I'm trying not to do that anymore because I haven't had a chance to work out lately. So that's my issue right now. Like I've been eating at 3, 4, 5 o'clock in the morning. And I haven't been working out. So that's what I got going on now. So this looks like it's actually the stickers. Just stickers. Let me open this up now. I don't know why I didn't do this in the beginning, but we'll see what it says. These look the Fisher-Price stuff. So we got everything we need. Now we just gotta put this thing together. So they're saying one, I should actually be assembling this. So that is part 1. Part 2, saying I should be putting this in this so that you guys can see it. like, how am I supposed to be putting this in here? Oh, I see it. So I thought it was this end, that end, but it's actually this end. So you put that in there. Open this up. Put this in here. Make sure I get my knife because I don't want to stab myself while I'm here. Okay, so my knife is over here. Okay, so now let me see what's next. Okay, so 3. I'm going to do something with these pieces. And I haven't watched any videos on this. This is my first time doing it, so you may be able to do it much faster than me. You know what's so funny about kids? They grow so fast. Like, she was in her Rockaroo the other day, and then it's like every time she was in it, it seemed like it was gonna break. And that's when we realized, we were like, maybe we should take her out of it. And it actually did start to break. That's how I knew. I'm like, this is not gonna work. I used it for my other child, my first kid, and I was like, I should be able to use this again because I got it for, what is it called? I got it for a baby shower. For some reason, it just stopped working, and I'm like, gosh, people pay all these money for these things because it wasn't the cheapest thing, and then it just stopped working so quick. I was really not happy about that. I was kind of pissed, actually. This is the back with the front. I'm trying to figure out what part goes in. Okay, so this part goes in the front, this part goes in the back. So I'm just going to go ahead and, oh, no, I didn't have it the right way, guys. So I was doing it like this, but we have to remember this part is the front part. So it's gonna be like this. Wow, this thing is actually pretty easy. So this is where we're at now. And then I'm gonna put these little Fisher-Price things on. I'm just gonna clip them in. Let me show you guys how to do them. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. All right. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put this thing in. Let me go ahead and back to the instructions. I feel like these instructions are actually pretty good, but I'm just not an instructions person. So that's why I'm having such a hard time. So I'm gonna put this in here. So the flat side is like that. So I'm gonna click that. Okay. And I'm going to do this like that. And turn it around. So it looks pretty good. Now I just have to figure out how to keep it in place. Oh, okay. So it actually has buttons. I don't know if you can see that. It has buttons underneath. Can you see it? These buttons right here. You see these buttons? So those are the buttons that you're gonna hook these two, these little eyelets. And there's like 4 of them. So I'm gonna pull, and I'm going to try to attach the buttons. And I'm just pushing the button. Let me take this thing off. This is in my way. I'm attaching the buttons on the bottom. This actually wasn't that bad actually. I think I would have did it faster if I would have read the instructions right away. But I just am not an instructions girl. I don't know why. And there's gonna be some eyelids. It's gonna be hard for me to show this. I don't know if you can see that. Right here. There's some eyelids. A bit closer. Some eyelids right here underneath. So that's where you're gonna put these, not eyelids, sorry, little buttons. I don't know why I'm saying eyelids. There's some buttons here, and then there's like a little slit. So you're just gonna push it in to make it secure. All right, looks pretty good. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put these on. This is super cute, and what I like about it is it's small. You don't have to worry about it taking a whole car up, and you can just throw it in your trunk, bring it where you need to bring it. You have like a play date, because when you have 2 kids like I do, you gotta make sure that it's easy to pack your baby and it's not a whole thing, because you got things to do. Like, that's one thing I hate, like when because I still have to give attention to my son, and when I'm like doing everything to my daughter and my son is like, Mommy, it's time for us to go, because I'm trying to also give him attention because I don't want him to regress, because he's already regressing a little bit, but I just don't want him to regress too much because he feels like he's not getting attention. So I tried my best to make everything with my daughter, either things like when he's sleeping, things that are gonna take too long, or I just try to make sure that I'm actually really paying attention to him and giving him the attention that he needs. So these are actually the same thing as these stickers. These are just in Spanish, so I'm not gonna need that. I'm gonna go ahead and put this stuff back in the box. I would definitely recommend this for someone that maybe have a problem with like putting things together, because to me it was pretty simple, and it's great for a baby that's growing because it actually has a little bit of support. It has some support back here, so it's gonna help sit them up, and then it has these little toys over here at the end, which babies love these little things. So, you know, you can put it right here or whatever you want. And that's it. I mean, that's the Fisher-Price Sit Me Up floor mat. So, yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. This is what I have. This is my end product. And thanks for watching. I'll see you again. Like, comment, subscribe below.